Hey everyone, it's Japheth here. I've got a quick but very important update for anyone prepping for consulting recruiting right now, whether that's McKinsey, Bain, BCG, the Big Four, or something else. This is one of those episodes you do not want to skip because once a year and only once, Management Consulted runs a flash sale that genuinely changes the game for hundreds of candidates every year. And that moment is officially here. I'm excited to announce that from right now, when you're listening to this, until Monday, November 17th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific, you can get 50% off our All Access Pass. So, what is the All Access Pass? It's a complete do-it-yourself case mastery system. It's the resource candidates use to break into MBB and other top-tier firms, and this year, it's more valuable than ever before, and I'll explain why. For the first time ever, All Access now includes a full McKinsey Solve practice test. I'll say that again. All Access right now for the sale includes a full McKinsey Solve practice test. But here's the kicker. This practice test is only included during the flash sale. Once the sale ends, the McKinsey Solve practice test goes away. Why is this huge? Because the McKinsey Digital Assessment, known as Solve, is one of the most important recruiting hurdles in the entire process. For many candidates who take the test, it's a make or break filter. This is where a lot of people fail out of McKinsey's process. They don't fail at the case interview stage. They don't fail at the resume stage. They fail at the digital assessment stage. So having a realistic, structured McKinsey Solve practice test to simulate the pressure and the pacing to the test, it's a massive competitive advantage, and it's available this weekend only. And that's just one piece of this All Access Pass. Before I tell you a couple of the other aspects that the All Access Pass includes, I want to let you know that you can go to the show notes right now. You'll find a link to the All Access Pass. Get it for $350 instead of $700. So do that now. Again, it expires Monday, November 17th at midnight Pacific time. The All Access Pass, in addition to the McKinsey Solve practice test, includes practice digital assessments for Bain, BCG, and a couple top boutique firms. It includes expedited and comprehensive prep plans so that you know what to do every step of the way. It includes our case library with over 600 practice cases with expert examples and solutions. You also get 9 video courses running the gamut on case interviews, mental math, business basics, resumes, networking, Excel, PowerPoint, and much more. The All Access Pass also includes over 10,000 case drills covering everything that you need to crush the case interview, from math to structure to exhibits to brainstorming and beyond. You also get 28 BCG-style chatbot cases, 12 industry primers, tons of expert case videos, and I haven't even started to scratch the surface. So I'm not going to tell you everything that's in the All Access Pass. I'll let you go to the link in the show notes and read more. But I'll just tell you that it's truly everything that you need to get an interview and also to get interview ready. So it takes out a lot of the guessing on what to do next or relying on a bunch of random YouTube videos for your information. One more note, the $350 that you pay towards the All Access Pass can be applied later towards our Black Belt program or our Super Prep program if you decide that you want expert MBB coaching in addition to the DIY materials. Consulting recruiting is crazy competitive, and so if you want to give yourself a leg up, take advantage of this sale. Don't skip it. Don't pay double later on down the line and miss it on your chance, the only chance to get the McKinsey Solve practice test inside All Access. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to finally get serious about prep, this is it. There's no better time. Check out the link in the show notes. It'll take you straight to the page. You'll see the discount automatically applied. And again, the flash sale for the All Access Pass ends Monday, November 17th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. After that, the price jumps back to $700 and the McKinsey Solve practice test disappears. So go ahead, check out the link, lock in the lowest price you'll get all year. We're excited to kick off the holiday season with this sale. Please reach out. team@managementconsulted.com is the email. If you got any questions, our team is happy to answer them. So you've got a little bit of time to get on this sale. We'd love to welcome you to our All Access Pass community. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Strategy Simplified.